Hello students, how are you? I hope that all you are safe and fit at your home. Students, in the previous class, we have to learn that microorganism. Now, in this class, we are going to next microorganism like algae and protozoa. What is the algae? Algae are the primitive, simple plants like a structure, clear? And simple plants like microorganism. Plants like microorganism, that means they having a chlorophyll, and due to presence of chlorophyll they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. That's why algae are known as autotrophic. Clear it? And generally they are commonly known as seaweeds because they are generally present in marine or aquatic one. Clear? They are found in moist places. Their structure is thallus look like. That means there is no stem, roots and leaf is present. So that's why their structure is thallus like, and this is known as thalloid structure. They may be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means consists of only single cell, and multicellular means consists by many cells. They contain a variety of pigments, and due to presence of different types of pigments, algae are of different types like red algae, brown algae, yellow algae, blue green algae. There are different types of algae. Clear? The different types of algae present according to their different types of pigments. They are autotrophic. Is it clear? Autotrophic means they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Algae reproduce by binary fission or fragmentation. Binary fission. Fissions means splitting and binary means two. And if algae, parent algae divided into or split into two daughter algae, this is known as binary fission. Fragmentations means if algae cut into small pieces and each small pieces convert into new indivisible organism, that is known as fragmentation. Now, what is the beneficial role of algae? Blue-green algae, BGA, like Anabina and Nostoc, which fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrates and nitrites for the better growth of plants. Algae serve as foods for fish and another aquatic organism. Algae are a rich source of vitamin and minerals. Kelps, which are obtained from brown algae, which are an important source of iodine, Na, sodium, and K, potassium. Clear it? And agar-agar, which is obtained from red algae, used in jellies and cosmetic. Algae used in preparing ice cream. Seaweeds, which are obtained from laminaria algae, used as fodder for sheep and another cattle. Harmful effects. It's very important point. Clear? Algae respire aerobically. Aerobically means in the presence of oxygen, and for respiration they use dissolved oxygen from water, and reproduce very rapidly. They use dissolved oxygen and may create oxygen deficiency in water, and in the absence of oxygen, in the deficiency of oxygen, aquatic organism may lead to death, and this is known as eutrophication. Clear it? Now, another microorganism is protozoa. Proto means first and zoa means animal. Zoo means animal. The primitive and firstly organism is known as protozoa. That's why it is unicellular. Clear? And they are found in variety of places. Their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic except Euglena. Euglena acts as a plant as well as an animal. In daytime it acts as plants, and they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But in night time they act as animals, and they can locomote in searching of food. Clear it? So except Euglena, all protozoa are heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They exist in a variety of shape. For example, amoeba have no fixed shape, they have an irregular shape. Paramecium have a slippery shaped, slipper-like structure. Clear? And they reproduce by binary fission, multiple fission, and spore formation. Binary formation, is it clear? Multiple fission. when parent body nucleus divided into more than one nucleus, this is known as multiple fission. Multiple fission occur in unfavorable condition, and in unfavorable condition, protozoa form a protective covering, and this is known as cyst. When favorable condition arrive, cyst has been ruptured, and new organism or new individual organism releases out. And beneficial protozoa, they live in the gut of ruminants, which help in digestion of cellulose. Clear it? And harmful effect. Protozoa cause many diseases in human being and animals. In human beings, like sleeping sickness and dysentery. Dysentery produced by Antiamoeba histolytica. Malaria caused by Plasmodium protozoa, and different types of many diseases which caused by protozoa. Clear it? Thank you, student.